Molloy and I'm here with Jimmy Halfcut. And I'd love you to tell us what you do to make a difference in the world.
Look, I am a passionate human being who just wants to see that rainforests are protected. So I'm half cut or a half wit for 365 days to protect our last remaining rainforests, so we can really get on and do everything we love. So I'm on a mission to protect the last remaining and start to regenerate what we have lost. And I'm asking you to be part of the journey. For just $2.50, half a coffee, we can protect an acre of rainforest for life.
So if you are a business person, I would love you to think about investing into our forests. All that paper that we use, what do we do? How do we do it?
So go to halfcut.org, halfcut.org, and that's where you can start your rainforest protection counter. Become a rainforest hero. Every $2.50 protects an acre. And hey, why not just continue this for many years to come?
Great tip. Make a difference today. Speak soon.